Hi, it's Preston, and I want to tell you about something that's never been done before in a conference, and I'm offering it to you right now. You can come to the Power of You event for free and no charge, but if you want to dive deeper into every single talk, I have a rare opportunity for you to be able to experience this event forever in a way that's searchable, indexed, transcribed, and connects to the video. I'll tell you about it right now. We partnered with the company called SOAR. Paul Allen's speaking at the event. We're going to tell you more about it. But it's the most amazing AI technology I've ever seen. It takes the video of the entire event. So every speaker you love, every talk that you hear, all the information that you want to know. Well, sometimes when you go to an event and you leave, you start to forget things. It gets jumbled. You'd like to look something up that you heard and maybe you can't find it in your notes, and it takes 20 hours of video to go back to look at it. Well, we've solved that. We've solved that with this event. And so I'm offering this to you right now to buy it at the cheapest price we can put it together for, $39. You can get it today for that. It's gonna be more later, but I'm offering it right now and into the event for $39. And you get the AI, you get the app, you get the video recordings, you get the transcriptions, you get everything in the event. But not only do you get that, you get the immersive experience. So you can search whoever it is you want to talk, or any idea that you hear, and go find it again. For example, when Mark Victor Hansen, the world's best-selling author, tells us about things like publishing, you might want to go, what did he say about publishing? Well, you can go in, you can get the app and type in publishing. It will search the text of all the talks of the event. It'll pull up all the talks that mention publishing. You can see the text. And if that's what you want to listen to, you just touch it and it drops you right into the experience. And you can hear it and listen to it and learn it again. We're giving this to you right now at a special offer for $39. Don't miss this. This will give you value that's worth literally what you would have to go pay $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 to go and learn these things, and it's going to be accessible. It's going to be usable for the rest of your life. You've got this. So check it out. Sign up today. You won't regret it. This is the first ever virtual AI integration with a live conference, so you can relive it, learn it, love it, and experience it in your life. We're bringing this to you because I want to create real solutions in your life. I love you. I'm so thankful you registered. Come for free and enjoy it. If you want to dive in and get the experience, if you want to go deep and apply it to your life and keep applying it to your life later, I'm here to help you and support you. I've put this together for you because we love you. Eldin, Hasa, and my business partner, we've done all the heavy lifting to get all these people together, and I hope it supports you. I hope it blesses your life, and I look forward to seeing you at the Power of You event.